What's up guys, Brown Crypto Guy here, and today we are going to talk about the most important centralized wallet in the whole universe. And you guessed it right, we're going to talk about Metamask. So before we dive into the video, I just want you guys to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell notification bell so that you will always be notified whenever I post a video in the future. So with that being said, let's begin the video. So before I tell you how to create your own account on Metamask, let's discuss the technical definition of Metamask. Metamask is a free web and mobile crypto wallet that allows users to store and swap cryptocurrencies, interact with the Ethereum blockchain ecosystem, and host a growing array of decentralized applications known as dApps. It is one of the most widely used crypto applications in the world. Over 10 million active monthly users log into Metamask in August of 2021. With its simplified user experience and approachable design, Metamask has become a favorite wallet tool for many users in the Ethereum ecosystem. As a wallet that provides storage, swaps, and access to decentralized apps, Metamask is a multifunctional, reverse, and user-friendly portal to Web 3.0. In earlier versions, Metamask was only available as a browser plugin for Firefox and Google Chrome. But in September 2020, Metamask Mobile was released for both Android and iOS powered devices. Metamask quickly established itself as a standard barrier for self-managed, non-custodial crypto wallets, in part thanks to its user experience and frequent updates. It has played a very important role in raising the standards of the blockchain and the crypto technology, laying the foundation for the growth of sectors like decentralized finance, Defi, and non-fungible tokens, Nfts, by simplifying and streaming the Ethereum user experience into one simple wallet interface. Alright, but how does Metamask work? Metamask has three primary uses. Number 1, storage. Number 2, swaps. And number 3, dApp access. Collectively, this function compress everything that a normal crypto user wants. A normal crypto user would likely need to interact with Ethereum. Metamask built-in crypto wallet can be used to store tokens that are built on the Ethereum ERC20, and users can easily create and navigate between multi-wallet addresses within the app. The application's advanced technology allows users to securely store their wallet passwords and private keys within their own browser via a Metamask extension, which gives them more control over both their private and public keys. Additionally, new users are provided with seed phases when they first create an account, which can be used to recover their account if necessary. Number 2, token swaps. Metamask has a trade function that lets you execute peer-to-peer token swaps directly from your wallet. Instead of transitioning through an order book exchange or decentralized exchange, these swaps generate data from multi-DEXs. Metamask swap allow users to trade crypto directly without the need of any third-party exchange. Plus, whenever you try to exchange your cryptos in Metamask, it has a really low cost. Number 3, access to dApps. Metamask users can also use the wallet to directly access a wide range of Ethereum-based dApps, crypto leading products, Ethereum-powered games, NFTs, and more. Additionally, Metamask's built-in crypto wallet makes it easy for users to spend, send, or stake their crypto anywhere within the Ethereum ecosystem without having to manage external wallet or unnecessary transitions. As a result, Metamask directly provides users with an easy access into the world of DeFi finance and other blockchain-based sectors. So far, I have told you about all the benefit that Metamask wallet provides. Now let's go to the negative side of using Metamask. While the Metamask extension itself does not have access to any of your personal information, the web browser you access it through might. And while your browser won't have access to your private passwords or other sensitive data, most browsers are designed to collect information about when and how you use any integrated app or plugin. Additionally, since Metamask stores private keys within the user's browser, the stealing of the data is possible, but it still hasn't occurred yet regarding anyone from the Metamask users. A lot of people have this simulation in their heads: is hot wallet more secure than cold wallet? Then I'm gonna clear you right now that hot wallet is not that secure as compared to a cold wallet. what you call a ledger. A ledger is more secure than any wallet in the internet. A ledger is something that even if the crypto market goes down or some apps have disrupted, some apps have been closed, the ledger never loses its data. So a cold wallet is always more secure than a hot wallet. And if you want to know about how a ledger works, or how a hot wallet or a cold wallet, what's the difference, or why a cold wallet is more secure, you can leave that in the comments. So I'm going to try my best to make a video about how to securely send every crypto that you have in your exchanges or centralized wallet or decentralized wallet or anywhere to a cold wallet, which is known as ledger. So you can just write it down in the comments. So I'll probably make a video on that as well. And any information that is stored online long term runs the risk of being stolen. So if you compare these wallets, a ledger, a cold wallet is more secure than any hot wallet in the internet. Let's dive into the system and show you how to create a Metamask account. Alright, you simply need an internet browser which supports Metamask extension. In my case, I'm going to use Google Chrome for my video. Go to Google Chrome, then on the right top corner you will see an option of adding extensions. Click on extensions, then search in the extension store or bar by writing Metamask. Over here it is. Now all you have to do is to add it to your Google Chrome extension. Once you do it, then your Metamask icon would be added in your extensions. Just click on Metamask and now you have to create an account in Metamask, which is really simple, to be honest. Just click create an account. If you already have a Metamask account, then you can click on import an account. But if you don't have it, or we never have heard of Metamask, then creating the account is the first thing that we have to do. Just click next. After filling the details, the Metamask will provide you a public wallet address based on ERC. You will also use this public address in order to receive cryptos in your wallet. Plus, before getting there, the Metamask will provide you a 14-word secret code, which you have to store somewhere safely and never give your code to anyone. You can only give your wallet public address to anyone, but not this code. This is kinda like your password for your crypto wallet. The wallet will tell you to verify if it's you. So after clicking next, once you receive the secret code, you have to enter that code in order to log in into the device. I would recommend take a picture from your phone once it shows your secret code, because you would need to enter it in the next step. Once that's done, there you have it. You have your own Metamask crypto wallet. The wallet would be showing your public address and the native blockchain, which is obviously on ERC. But sometimes whenever you want to trade in other cryptos that are other networks besides ERC, then you will always switch your current ERC network to BSC, Binance Smart Chain, or Polygon Matic. So you have the ultimate tool and the ultimate wallet for everything in terms of storing your cryptos. And if you're confused about what is a network and why would I need to switch my network from ERC to BSC or Polygon or Solana, if you do not have any idea about how this works, then leave that in the comments. I'm gonna try my best to make a video about what does a network do when it's changed. Anyways, that was it for today, and I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you know what to do, right? Hit like and subscribe and share this video. Until then, take care of yourselves. This was the Brown Crypto Guy signing out.